first kind of question. I have a parallelogram here that I've drawn, and I'm trying to find x in this picture, and I need to understand that I have two angles here, the 56 and x squared, that when combined are congruent to that opposite angle that's 15x. So, I mean, it's not terribly difficult, but you got to understand that you're going to have to use some math that we haven't done yet in class to get this solved. So I try and get everything on the same side of the equation. And then I factor what's left to see what possible answers for x I could have. So I know some of you are comfortable and used to using like a factor box where you need everything to add up to 15, but they need to multiply to make 56, right? So in this case, I'm going to need an 8 and a 7 to do that, right? So -8, -7, more specifically, made those marks a little weird, sorry. But so that means that I have x minus 8 times x minus 7, and that my answer is 4x, right? X could be 8 or 7, right? So just understand that that's what you're supposed to be doing there. You could have two different answers, but it is entirely possible that at some point, in this case, it's not true. And I don't have an example like that for you right now, but had one of those two factors actually been positive, excuse me, so it was x plus 8 times x minus 7, your actual answer would have been negative. And negative answers are not really possible. If it was 15 times -8, you would have had a negative answer for that angle, and that's not actually possible. Now, x squared, when you square a -8, that is a positive number. So that would have been possible. So when it's all said and done, you need to understand that sometimes you're going to have to throw out answers. In this case, I wouldn't because it's a +8 and a +7, but sometimes you will throw out answers.